Hi everybody, this is Valentina from The Real Italian Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and light version of eggplant parmesan, which in Italian is called melanzane alla parmigiana. The version that I'm going to show you doesn't require any baking or any tomato sauce. We're just going to use fresh eggplant, fresh tomato, some fresh mozzarella, and then the other ingredients that I'm going to use today are a couple of spoons of all-purpose flour, and in my pan over there I have waiting for me, getting warm, some vegetable oil with a scoop of butter in it to fry the eggplant in. I turn the fire on medium under my vegetable oil, so while I'm cutting the vegetables it has a chance of warming up. The first thing I'm gonna do now is cut the tomato, and I'm using a quarter of a tomato. I don't have a big eggplant, as you can see. It's a very small eggplant, but it's fresh. I bought it at the farmer's market, the farmers of Pennsylvania. It still had some earth on it when I bought it. That's what convinced me that it was fresh. But we had one yesterday and it was really good. So let's put the tomatoes in a separate bowl, and I'm gonna infuse them with my favorite ariosto mix, the aglio and peperoncino. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of the ariosto mix in with the tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Mix it well and let it infuse until everything else is ready. We're gonna peel the eggplant. I'm not a fan of eggplant skin, plus this one's really fresh, so you see it's like a little green, the skin is a little tough, so I'd rather peel it before I cook it. So now, because my eggplant is it's long and narrow, I'm gonna cut my slices in and try to make them as even as possible. I'm gonna cut them lengthwise so I can get more out of it. There we go. Pan the eggplant with the flour. Remove excess and set it aside. Do the same thing for all the other slices, both sides. To know if the oil is warm enough, you just try to do this, and if it sizzles, it means that it's ready. And that's that. We're gonna cook them until they're golden brown on both sides. You can turn it. We take them off. Look, they're crispy, but they stay soft inside. They're nice golden, almost bronze. Any more than this, it's burned, so be careful. Put them on a separate plate with some paper towel to dry off the excess. So the last prep work that I have to do is cut the mozzarella in even circles or in even slices. There we go, that wasn't too hard. And now I can go ahead and build my plate. So I'm gonna place a piece of eggplant, and I'm gonna build it just like I would with the parmigiana. A little bit of seasoned tomatoes, not a lot. And then I'm gonna put another piece of eggplant, some mozzarella, and top it again with the delicious, it's gonna be spicy and a little bit sweet, but very savory. Let's do it again. And as you can see, you can get a lot out of very few ingredients. So you get 3 good bites out of 1 mozzarella, 1 small eggplant, and 1/4 of a tomato. So I think this is a very good deal, all in all. It's okay if some of the tomatoes fall. It's part of its charm. It took about 10 minutes to make. It's very simple, as you saw. So even if you're a beginner but you want to serve something that's gonna look like a gourmet recipe or dish, this is a very good creative serving, I think, appetizer or a side. I'm gonna try some. It's really great. Let me get another bite. Thank you for following The Real Italian Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna try it at home. Please subscribe to my channel. Ciao, ciao.